like the delay in finding out the dead body to trace what exactly happened. So, did these factors we all feared that would affect the case? How did you manage to finally gain it?
No, actually, there's a saying that witnesses may lie, but circumstances will not. This exact case is what has happened in this case. Because the circumstances put forward by the prosecution was so convincing that we put forward 18 circumstances. All the 18 circumstances were so conclusive, and that's the reason why we could convince the court regarding this.
The case has got so much national and even international attention because the woman killed was someone from outside the country. Did that prove to be an extra pressure factor for you?
No, actually, there is no pressure, but I have got a feeling that being an Indian, it's my duty to see to it that there is justice to Lika. So my priority was that there was no pressure in national thing or international thing that was not there. But the fact that it was incumbent upon me as a prosecutor and as an Indian to fight for justice was there.
In every case which is stuck to truck, there is a saying that what was that in this case?
In this case, actually, the body of Lika was found in a very secluded place wherein Lika cannot access without the help of someone who is well acquainted with that place. So, who is that person was the question. So, without aid of someone, she cannot reach there. So, probably that he may be the person, or they may be the person who might have committed the offense. This was the clue which I utilized for the purpose of proving the offense. Because after proving this fact, I could convincingly prove before the court that both accused are the person who is having exclusive access to the place and their involvement has been proved.
Some of the witnesses failed for state during the trial of the court. Sorry, trial of the case. How did it affect the
One among the witnesses was very, very significant witness, but still, by virtue of other evidence and circumstances, I could prove that fact, and so the fact of hostility never affected the credibility of the prosecution case.
What were the strong evidences that enabled the judge?
The strong evidence was that actually accused gave a petition to the magistrate. First accused gave a petition to the magistrate court that he saw Liga and he talked to him. So if so, what on earth prevented him from intimating to the police, despite the fact that there was 2 lakh rupees was announced as reward? Even then, he never informed it to police. So this was a very important because the lasting theory. It is proved beyond reasonable that the accused, both accused were last seen Liga there, but they never mentioned it to anywhere. And this place is having exclusive access to this people. These kind of evidence were connected together to find the guilt of the accused to the guilt. That's it.
This is the third consecutive victory for you for the fight for the justice for women. How do you view that?
It's not a personal success of mine. It's actually the success of Indian judiciary because judges are also putting too much pain and work for understanding the things, and they were evaluating the things. And investigating officers, of course, they were doing too much things, and prosecuting aid prosecution team was doing. And I was also putting my own. So I'm happy that all these cases succeeded in wherein women were the victims.
How crucial was the role of the investigating officers, especially when the body was found in a decayed body?
Actually, that's why I said actually there is a hands of God in it because though the body was decomposed, the most important portions which enabled the investigating officer or the doctor to find out this was a murder was there because the head was rolled down, but C3 cervical 3 vertebrae onwards was there intact in the body, and the bones which were crushed out of mugging was there. So from this, the investigating team as well as the doctors could prove conclusively that this is a case of murder. So the hands of God was there actually.
There were attempts to portray the woman as a drug addict.
Yes.
Did this in any way affected the?
No. It never affected. It never affected because those kind of things were not having any factual background, and it is not.
Thank you so much. Thank you.